Hey there, welcome to my channel and to my home. Today I'm sharing with you my 2025 Mother's Day gift guide. These are things that either I'm giving this year as Mother's Day gifts, things that I have received as gifts that I absolutely love, or things that I know that my mom or moms in my life have received and they've raved about. So if you are looking for that perfect gift for your mom, your wife, your grandmother, any lady that is a mother in your life that you choose to gift this season, hopefully I have a great gift idea here today in this video for you. So that is the first part of this video. And then the second part, I'm going to share with you a few gift basket ideas. Well, I would say gathered gift ideas because they're not all in baskets, but some really good gathered gifts that I think are creative and fun that any mom in your life would love. Thank you for being here today. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Okay, the first gift I'm going to share with you today is probably my favorite gift of all. It is the gift that I'm giving my mom. So mom, if you happen to be watching this video before Sunday, please turn it off because you're about to ruin your surprise. And I know that you want this. It is at the top of your list, mom. So turn this video off, okay? My mom's gone? Mom, you're gone? Okay. For the rest of you, I have to show you what I got my mom this year for Mother's Day because I am so excited about it. It is something that I actually own, and she was visiting me recently. I pulled mine out to use and she was like, wait. You have one of those? I want one of those. And so I already knew this is exactly what I was getting my mother for Mother's Day, and it is the Omnilux Contour Light Therapy Mask. This thing is one of my absolute favorite things, period, that I have. Omnilux was also kind enough to sponsor this video today, so thank you to them for doing that. This is the one thing in my skincare regimen and routine that I consider to make the biggest difference. I got this mask last year, holiday season. I treated myself. I got one of these. I'd wanted one for a long time, and I am in love with this thing. Nothing else in my skincare regimen has changed but the addition of this, and I have seen improvements in my skin drastically since December. So fun fact about me and my mom, neither of us, I'm 38, my mom is 65, neither of us have ever had any kind of Botox or fillers. I don't know what her reasoning is behind it, but I am deathly afraid of needles. So until I feel like I just can't take it anymore and I want to try filler, I'm probably not going to do it. I may never do it. I don't know. But my mom has aged so beautifully. I know that she has been wanting one of these. This is at the top of her list. So I'm very excited to gift this to her for Mother's Day. And I think it's an absolutely incredible gift for anyone on your list. This one is my mom's. So I'm going to go grab mine so I can show you what the actual mask looks like really quick. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like. I love this thing. It is simple and easy to use. 10 minutes a day. I use it as part of my evening wind down routine. These masks are FDA cleared, clinically proven to boost collagen and elastin. I feel like I can attest to that because I've seen improvements in my skin since I started using this. You don't have to go to a spa or a clinic to get professional light treatment. You can do this in the comfort of your own home, and for the price of 2 to 3 clinical visits, the mask has paid for itself. My personal preference is to do this at the end of the day. It is such a treat to just put this on and wind down. I usually put it on, get in the bed, read my book. I really enjoy it, okay? Any woman in your life will appreciate this. Maybe your mom and your husband has been asking you, hey, what should I get you this year for Mother's Day? And you haven't really put anything on your list. You don't really know what to ask for. This is it. You will love this. As I mentioned, Omnilux was kind enough to sponsor this video and they gave us a discount. So I will be sure to have a link in the description box below. You can just click there, or you can use the QR code here on the screen and it will take you right to the site. Had to share this here with you today because I'm telling you, this is the gift. I also just want to let you know it is totally okay to buy yourself something for Mother's Day. You deserve it. And this should be it. You should get this. Okay, next on my gift list, this is also along the lines of self-care, skincare also, but this is a gift that I have probably given just about every woman in my life. I even included one of these in my grandmother's Christmas gift this year, and it is the Kitsch satin pillowcase. I always have these on hand. This is one of my go-tos. Maybe I get invited to a brunch or something and I want to take a little hostess gift. I opt for one of these a lot of the time because you just can't go wrong with a Kitsch satin pillowcase. I sleep on one of these every single night. Sleeping on a satin pillowcase also has a ton of skin benefits, and not just skin, but also hair benefits. If you're wondering what I keep in my gift closet as a go-to, oops, surprise, I need to take a gift. This is it. This is the gift. I get asked often about just simple, easy, cozy, quality gifts. Yes, you can get things that are less expensive, but when you're giving it as a gift, you want it to be something that is a little bit luxury and thoughtful. And so that's why I always recommend the Bombas fuzzy socks. They have built-in arch support in these socks and they're extremely high quality. So I've talked about Bombas a lot on my channel, but they're an incredible brand and they're the only fuzzy socks that I wear. I wanted to share these in this video today because this is also a great gift idea. And if you want to just elevate it even more and make it a cozy, like just gift set, they have these incredible blankets from Walmart. Okay, I talk about them on my channel often too. I don't have one down here because they're all huge because they go in your bed. So I have king size, but they are literally, in my opinion, Barefoot Dream dupe blankets. I will put a picture of one on the screen here. You can get them at Walmart. They are the best blankets for your bed. I love them so much. That blanket coupled with a pair of these Bombas fuzzy socks is such a good gift. I couldn't leave you without a pajama recommendation, and I really wanted to give you one that I think is affordable. This one is from Amazon. This is one of my favorite sets. I literally just pulled this out of my pajama drawer. I'll put it on so you can see what it looks like. It is soft, it is really good quality, but I love these pajamas, and so will your mama. Another gift that I love for Mother's Day, especially if your mother is like mine and she's a collector of china and dishes and seasonal things like I am. That's where I get it from. I come by it honestly. She loves to collect those things as well. And she collects Mackenzie Child's teapots. I've actually started collecting them over the past few years also. I am becoming my mother with each passing year. All of their products are hand painted. They're all very unique. I would say this is a luxury gift for sure. But if the person you're gifting is a lover of tea, entertaining, maybe they just love decor like the rest of us. I know if you're here, you probably love decor. I recommend one of these. This one is in the sterling check. I also have it in the mocha check, which is one of their newer colorways, but I wanted to show you, I pulled this off of my kitchen shelf. How sweet would this be if you put a little floral arrangement in here and gave it to your mom like this for Mother's Day? Another one of my go-to gifts when I don't know what to get, but I want to give something thoughtful to someone is a coffee table book. I have a bunch of favorite coffee table books. I will list them in the description box below. This one is French Country Cottage. This is such a beautiful, beautiful book, but I just tied a sweet, simple ribbon around this one. You could even write inside Mother's Day 2025 and sign it so that your mother has a little memento in there, or your friend or whoever you're gifting. You can never go wrong with a beautiful coffee table book. It's always appreciated.
I think one of the best ways to treat that special lady in your life to a relaxing Mother's Day is to make her an at-home spa day kit. This is super easy to put together and it feels so thoughtful. I'm just adding some of my favorite items that I like to use here to make this one extra special. The box that I have this in is a box that I love to use when I'm giving a gift. I find these on Amazon. I've used them for Valentine's Day, birthdays, and more. They come in a variety of colors and sizes, and they're so convenient because all you have to do is add a ribbon or a bow. No need for wrapping paper, and the presentation is always so lovely. These are great boxes. I'll have them linked below.
The next gift I want to share with you is a really sentimental idea. I'm not personally doing this year, so I'm just going to give you a couple of examples of this, and I'm going to show you what it is. Basically, a letters by the month keepsake box, and you can get a box like this. I found this one on Amazon. I also think it would be really cool to do a jewelry box. This is actually a vintage jewelry box from my great aunt. This is mine, but it would be great to do something like this. You could find one at an antique store or just get a beautiful jewelry box for your mom, and then get a set of blank note cards. Write 12 different notes on these cards. Maybe they're memories, maybe they're special things that you share just with your mom. Maybe you want to write 12 different valuable life lessons that she taught you on these and date them for the months ahead. So since Mother's Day is in May, you could start with May 2025 and go all the way until next May. And your mom would have a sweet note to open once a month from you. And I just think this is such a cool gift. This is like the gift that keeps on giving throughout the year. And I love the idea. This is just an example of a letter box like this that's clear. You could slip them all in and then it opens on the side. I really think these are for weddings, but I had one lying around because decor. You know, I'll link a few options below. This is my crystal box, so I can't link this. I just think this would be so beautiful to present to your mom with a bunch of letters dated saying open on whatever specific date. And you could do special days too. You could do your birthday or her birthday, and you can do as many notes as you'd like. I just wanted to share this idea because it's not something I'm doing this year, but I think it's such a fantastic idea. And you really don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to get a box. You could always just use a shoe box. You could decorate it, or maybe you have kids and and you want to do it for grandma, your mom, and the kids could decorate it for her, there's a lot of things that you could do with just a simple box and some note cards that I think would be a wonderful gift for mom. The next couple of gifts that I want to share, I think are just sweet, thoughtful ways to bring your mother flowers on Mother's Day that are kind of outside the box. And the first one is to get a reusable tote. I've had this tote. This one is from a local farmer's market. What you're going to do is you're going to get your tote, and then you are going to fill this with some of your mom's favorite snacks, okay? This is just an example bag, but for me, I would put in things like Boom Chicka Pop, love this stuff, cookies, and then I got a box of crackers. When I went to pick up the snacks, I just grabbed some flowers from the grocery store also. I'm gonna stick them right in the bag. You can also put her Mother's Day card in here and then show up with a little special delivery of some of her favorites. Okay, this next one is for the moms that love their coffee. So the idea is to go pick up her favorite coffee from a local coffee shop. Maybe you just get her a tumbler, a reusable tumbler, and put a gift card to her favorite local coffee shop in there. I think that would be super sweet. And then the other side, we are going to make a beautiful little floral arrangement to take to mom.
The final gift that I'm sharing with you today is another unique way to give your mom flowers, especially if she is a book lover. I found this beautiful vase on Amazon. It also came with a bookmark and in a really lovely box, so you could always just wrap it or give it like this and it would be good to go. But I thought it would be a really cute idea to take it out of the box, add some of your mom's favorite flowers, and then give it as a beautiful, thoughtful gift this Mother's Day.
All right, so that is it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope you found something to gift one of those lovely ladies in your life that you're gifting this Mother's Day. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you, and I will see you again very soon in the next video. Until I do, take care. Happy Mother's Day and happy decorating.